Mardi Gras might not be here just yet, but Troy University's International Student Cultural Organization got the party started a little early. ISCO decided to shake things up a bit by learning about Mardi Gras and by participating in some of its popular activities.
Everyone can just understand, there might be some things that originate, as a holiday really, and it can turn into something that's just a good time to get together and become cultured about different things as well.
Although some American students may have an idea of what Mardi Gras is about, for some this event was their first ever Mardi Gras experience.
The origins of Mardi Gras are based off of kind of role reversal, the poor being the rich for the day, the rich being the poor for the day. So I think just kind of learning to break free of inhibition and have fun.
One student in particular enjoyed ISCO's Mardi Gras celebration even more than one he had been to in New Orleans.
I came here tonight, so I know what kind of Mardi Gras is. It's kind of like a carnival for to celebrate the religious things. So I learned a lot.
Mardi Gras won't be the only event that ISCO will be celebrating this semester. Just next week there will be the Chinese New Year celebration, the Vietnamese New Year celebration, as well as Brazil Night. Students were able to decorate king cakes, a popular Mardi Gras dessert, dress up for pictures, as well as play some Mardi Gras inspired games. Paige Weeks, Troy, TrojanVision News.